We are.
Really isn't bad.
Shut that off. Fresh from Hydrostream, kid. The rebranded. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna check out the new windshield.
Open it again. We'll just cut it.
Here, cut it. Come on.
Demotion, kid. Cut this side. Get in the
Easy.
kid.
We got the smoked lens version. Wow. Put it on the table for a minute.
Put it on my rope.
For the package. But
there should be screws and everything in there. Yeah. And that little cutter, Tony.
hold on. Just put it on the table.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Wow, look at that. Put it right on the table. Tell me that ain't sexy, kid. Wow.
Beautiful.
As stated, it comes with the drill bit and all the package and the strips.
You see?
That's off the chain, kid. Wow.
Beautiful. Let me take a picture.
Beautiful.